understanding 1G welding position and common bead patterns. Welcome to Piping and Pipeline Engineering. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced welder, understanding the 1G position and mastering its bead patterns is essential for strong, reliable welds. We'll also cover the industry standards that define best practices. Let's get started. What is the 1G welding position? In welding, positions are classified based on the orientation of the workpiece and the direction of welding. The letter G comes from the word groove, indicating a groove weld, while the number 1 means that this weld occurs in the horizontal position. The 1G position, also known as the flat position, is one of the easiest and most commonly used positions. Here, the weld is applied on the top surface of a horizontally placed plate, allowing gravity to assist in forming the weld pool. This position is often used in structural applications and pipeline welding. According to the AWS, American Welding Society, Standard AWSD 1.1 for structural welding and ASME Section 9 for pressure vessel welding, the 1G position is designated for both plate and pipe welding. In this position, the welder moves along a horizontal axis while the workpiece remains fixed. Common welding bead patterns in 1G. When welding in the 1G position, controlling the weld bead is crucial. Here are 3 common bead patterns used in this position. Stringer bead. This is a straight weld bead made without weaving. It's ideal for thin materials and provides a clean, controlled weld with minimal distortion. Weave bead. This technique involves moving the electrode side to side in a weaving motion to create wider welds, useful for filling larger gaps or when working with thicker materials. Whip and pause technique. Commonly used in stick welding, SMAW. This method involves a short forward movement, whip, followed by a brief pause to allow fusion, helping to control penetration and prevent excessive heat buildup. Key factors for a strong 1G weld. To achieve a high-quality weld in 1G, keep these factors in mind. Electrode angle. Maintain a travel angle of 10 to 15 degrees for best penetration. Travel speed. Move consistently to avoid undercutting or excessive buildup. Heat control. Adjust amperage and voltage based on material thickness. Proper cleaning. Always clean the base metal before welding to prevent contamination. Remember, practice is key to mastering these skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more welding tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy welding!